In a world overflowing with new content, fast edits, and fleeting trends, there exists a quiet corner of the internet where history breathes again. A place where the golden age of Pakistani television and cinema is not only remembered, but restored, revived, and reintroduced to a new generation. Welcome to PakClassicsHub on Rumble, a channel built with passion, precision, and a deep respect for the cultural treasures that shaped decades of storytelling. This is more than a channel. It is an archive in motion, a digital restoration studio, a cultural preservation project, and above all, a love letter to the classics that defined an era. Here, every playlist tells a story. We begin with the music that shaped the soul of South Asia. The Best of Ahmed Rushdie playlist brings back the timeless voice of a legend, restored in HD with clarity and care. These aren't just songs, they're memories, revived so they can be heard the way they were meant to be heard. From Kuchlog, wrote KRB to rare gems across his career. This playlist celebrates a voice that continues to echo across generations. From music, we step into the world of drama stories that once brought families together every evening. Hiroshi, the Hasina Moin classic, returns in a beautifully curated playlist of 17 episodes. It's a reminder of a time when storytelling was simple, heartfelt, and deeply human. The warmth, the humor, the unforgettable characters, everything that made PTV dramas iconic lives here. But PakClassicsHub doesn't stop at the famous titles. It dives into the rare, the forgotten, and the nearly lost. Rosan Izindan, a lesser-known but powerful drama, is restored with renewed visuals and audio. It captures the emotional depth and social commentary that made Pakistani dramas stand out across the region. Comedy lovers will rediscover favorites like Bure Fanze and Diwan Kaz, two classic Urdu telefilms restored with crisp visuals and improved sound. These timeless comedies remind us of an era when humor was clever, clean, and genuinely entertaining. For fans of mystery and the supernatural, the channel offers rare gems like Nag Muni 1972 and The Haunting Kisa Sat Ratu Ka. These restored classics show how boldly Pakistani television experimented long before modern thrillers existed. Music continues its journey through playlists like Dilmain, Warisbeg, where restoration breathes new life into iconic performances. Each track is polished and preserved for long-term archival quality. Cinema lovers will find treasures such as Mastana Mahi, 1971, Bahisht, 1974, Tana, 1981, and the legendary Carter Singh, 1959. These restored films honor the original filmmakers and capture the evolution of Pakistani cinema, from black and white frames to vibrant color. Punjabi cinema is celebrated through playlists like Neka 1985 and a dedicated collection of Punjabi movies and songs HD digitally restored, highlighting the emotional depth and cultural richness of Punjabi storytelling. Drama enthusiasts will enjoy complete serials like Din 1992 and Shiji 1994, restored episode by episode, miniseries such as Essa's 1980s and Dania 1990s, once believed lost return with clarity and color. And then come the giants, Duke Kinnery 1987 and Ansu 1999. These restored playlists honor the magic of Hasina Moin's writing and the unforgettable performances that shaped Pakistani television. PakClassicsHub also celebrates personalities who shaped the industry. The Aftab, Iqbal, a maestro, playlist highlights the wit and cultural commentary of one of Pakistan's most influential media figures. Alongside it, the massive Pakistani classics, restored in HD collection, gathers hundreds of restored videos, forming one of the most comprehensive archives of Pakistani classics online. Every playlist, every restoration, every upload is part of a larger mission: to preserve, Pakistan's cultural heritage and ensure future generations can experience these classics in the best possible quality. And the journey continues, because coming soon restored with the same dedication and cinematic care to beloved PTV masterpieces, Arusa and Afshan. Fully restored in HD. Coming soon.